Hence, we are going to see about the searching techniques. So, what is meant by searching? So, searching is a process of finding out a particular element in a given list of elements. Okay. So, already we seen in the last class that the searching means what and what are the searching techniques we are using, and we will see the um, linear search. So the method of searching, so nowadays we are using is one is linear search. So that is already known as sequential search, and the another algorithm is binary search algorithm. So these are all the mostly widely used algorithms. And then linear search. So linear search means so we will search in the element in unordered. Okay, so the unordered list of element will apply by using the linear search algorithms. So here, so we start at the top of the list and compare the element with the key. So first, and then if we have a match, and then the search terminates and the index number is returned. So it is repeatedly going on in the linear search algorithm. For example, okay, so the key value is given here is 92. So this is the list given, array of list given, and then we are going to search the 92 element. Means first we will started with the array of 0. In array of 0, so the index a of 0 return the value 48, that is not matches with the 92. So 48 is not matches with 92. So and then next we will search with array of 1. So the array of 1 index value 1 return the value, that is 88, that is not matches with the key value, that is 92. So and then we will move on to the next index value. So that is array of 2. Okay, and then array of 2 contains the value 3, and then 3 doesn't match with the 92. Okay, and then we will go through the array of 0, 1, 2, and then 3. Array of 3 doesn't match with the key value, and will be move to the next, that is the array of 4. Okay, array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, and array of 3, and array of 4. And array of 4 stores the value, that is 92, that is the key value we are going to search in the list. So that is find out here the search is successful here, so it returned the value 92. Okay, the linear search will start at the index, so that is 0, a of 0, and then it will end at the a of 11. So that is n minus 1 element in the list. So it will search one by one and goes to the n, and it will stop. If doesn't the element here, the element given is 25, but in the list it is not presented, so the search is unsuccessful here. Okay, so the linear search algorithm is very difficult if you are having the bigger number of elements in the list. Means it is not suitable for that. So it is only suitable for some quantity of or some small number of elements in the list. Okay, and then the next one is binary search. So the binary search is widely used for the ordered number of elements in the list. Okay, and it will uses a divide and conquer algorithm. In binary search, first we will look for the key in the middle of the list. So we will compare first the key with the middle element. If we get a match, okay, and then the search is over. First we will search that the given key is comparing to the middle of the element in the list. Suppose if the middle element is the key element, then the search is over here. Okay, and then suppose if the middle element is not a key element, then we will go to the next condition, that is if the key is greater than the thing in the middle of the list, we search the top half. Okay, if it is greater than the middle, we will search the top half. Okay, and the next, suppose if it is not greater, means we will go to the next condition. So that is if the key is smaller, we search the bottom half. So this is the binary search algorithm method. So here we are having n number of elements, 6, 13, 14, 25, 33, 43, and 15. So this is the elements in an array. Okay, and then positioning a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4 and a of 5, 6. Okay, so this is array positioning. First beginning element, the beginning equal to 0 and then end equal to 6, that is a of 0 and a of this is considered as the array first element and then last element, and then middle equal to, what is the formula, means middle equal to low plus high divided by 2. So this is the formula for the middle. Okay, and then search element, so what is the search element given here is 25. Okay, so first condition is if key is equal to a of mid. Okay, if key equal to a of mid value means we will search the element in the list. The condition is if key equal to a of mid. Okay, if suppose the key is find out means we will stop the searching and return the value. Okay, so this is the first condition. So next one is here search element given is 13. Okay, first the beginning equal to 0 and end equal to 6 and then middle value equal to 0 plus 6 divided by 2, that is equal to middle value is equal to 3. If but here search element equal to 13, so it is not, the 13 is the key element is not matches with the middle value, so then it will go for the next condition. So that is if 13 less than, if it is less than a of mid, then search in the left side. So we will search in the left side of the element. Okay, and then we will search the 13 is presented in the 1, a of 0 and then a of 1 and then a of 14, we will find out the value 13 here. Okay, and then here beginning equal to 0 and end equal to 6 given and middle equal to 0 plus 6 divided by 2 given. So the third condition is if key is greater than the a of mid, then beginning equal to mid plus 1 value. So we will consider the beginning value is equal to middle position plus 1 and then end value is the last element in the array and then middle value is equal to what is the beginning value, that is middle plus 1, that is the 4 and then plus 6 divided by 2. So this is the last condition for. Okay, and then we will search like this. So we will take the beginning value is 4th 33 and then the mid value is 43 and then 51. Okay, so this is the binary search technique. And then the difference between linear and binary search. So what is the difference between linear and binary search means in linear search the data can be in any order, that is unordered element of list. So linear search will implement in unordered element of list, but binary search to be sorted in a sorted array only. Okay, sorted array or sorted number of elements in the list. Okay, and then linear search, multi-dimensional array can also be used, but in binary search only single dimensional array is used here. The time complexity of linear search is O of n. So in best case only it is O of 1, but in average case and then in worst case the time complexity of linear search is O of n. So that is, but here in binary search the time complexity is O of log n2. Okay, and then it is not, the linear search is I already mentioned, the linear search is it's taking more time when comparing to binary search, because it is comparing one index value and then until the end. Okay, but so that is not sufficient method for a larger list. Okay, but here binary search efficient for larger inputs also. So we will apply the searching techniques in Google, Facebooks, in social medias, in recommender systems. So we are so many searching the data. So we will apply this techniques in searching related technologies. So find and replace also using these concepts. Okay, in find position we will finding a tab, we will have to find what and then more searching options and find next buttons we are using. So the simple concept used in find and replace also. Okay, so this is about the linear search and binary search techniques. So thank you, students.